Okay, good day. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
100% willing, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Prince only.
Friends only, yeah, but I would just wanted to remind you that you come here to work, yeah? You don't come here to find some friends, okay? So do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
You're
Um,
healthy.
and
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Annalyn M. Masangkay. I'm 32 years old. I live in Rizal, Ibakay, Aklan. My birthday is July 9, 1992. My religion is Catholic, and I am a single.
You are single. I need to know some few more details from you, okay? What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", and my weight is 54.
What is your religion again?
Catholic.
Okay, what about your educational background? Are you high school graduate, elementary graduate?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, you have children.
No, ma'am.
Noah, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
5 sister and 4 brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
3.
Third in the
Third.
family. Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
Okay, so in your by data, in your working experience, it was stated you have a working experience 2013 to 2016 for 3 years in Manila, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Manila?
I'm working a housemaid, serving 4 members of the family.
What?
Adults.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities there? Duties.
Like cleaning,
Okay,
cooking, car wash,
car wash, laundry ironing.
laundry,
Did you
and
iron?
ironing. Yes, ma'am.
Is there any children inside the house?
No, ma'am.
No, all adults.
All
Okay.
adults only.
So way back 2017 to 2018, you work in Philippines for 1 year as a caregiving elderly for, is it you take care on elderly only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it male or female?
Male,
How old?
84.
84? This one way back 2017 to 2018.
In Marikina,
Yeah, in Marikina. Is it 73 years old or 84?
84.
84. So way back 2019 to 2021, you also do caregiving for an elderly, which is 2 years, right?
And what? Yes.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
79.
79 years old. 79 years old. Is it female or male? Is it female
Male.
or male?
Male, ma'am.
Male. Okay, so I just wanted to be clear and clarify. Way back 2017 to 2018, you worked for 1 year to take care an elderly male which is 84 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Way back 2019 to 2021, you worked for 2 years as a caregiver and you also take care a male which is 79 years old, right? Way back 2021 to 2024, you worked in restaurant as a cooker,
Yes,
as
ma'am.
it was stated in your working experience here. Am I right?
Yes.
What happened why you wanted to come here as a domestic helper?
Because my salary in the Philippines is not enough for support my family.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a domestic helper is very tough. You know that it is very, really tough. So
Yes.
you will working inside the house, which is a big houses, and there is a lot of family members. So are you okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to embrace or fasten your seatbelt because this is not so easy. You will going to sign a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
No?
No.
No, ma'am.
So can you take your elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn new recipes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
Are you
Yes, ma'am.
afraid of dogs, snakes, cats, rabbits?
No, ma'am.
Noah, are you sure?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So, are you aware that you will going to sign a 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. Okay? And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out, okay? We will going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
adhere with the rules and regulations about the no go out policy, yeah? It's either you agree or you disagree. Once you work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to make it clear and clarify in our initial interview that you are okay with it because we don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia. Don't give us headache because in the first place, you also agree with our terms and conditions. Yeah?
Yes.
Are you planning to run away once you come to work here?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So, what will you do once homesickness strikes you? Like, for example, if you miss your family because this is your first time working abroad, of course, homesickness will frequently attack you. What will you do?
Calling my family, ma'am.
Call your family. That's all. You will call your family only.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have tattoos in your body?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were just going to inform and to declare it to the employer. So, once there is an employer do the interview, you also declare it, okay? So we don't have problem later. So, as long as you declare it, then we don't have problem. And if the employer is okay, then it's okay. Also, we don't have problem. Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
as I have mentioned, we can do whatever we want in the Philippines, but don't bring here it in Malaysia, okay? We follow the rules and regulations. Malaysia, Philippines got their own. We have our in our own motherland. We have our culture. Other countries also got. So we need to respect it. It is not the same, okay? So any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah.
Yes.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Annalyn. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.